The next one I have here again is straight out of your textbook. I assigned a few or one or two problems. I think I assigned part A and B on number 8, so I picked letter E to do. Okay, and maybe I'll do another one as well. But this one is a lot like letter B. Letter A is the easiest one, but I assigned letter B. So here we go with 8E. They tell you the initial investment, and I'll use the other formula for this. Let's see, I had an R in there, I think. So they tell you the initial investment is $109,000. So that goes for our principal. This is number 8E. And they tell you the amount after 5 years is $136,503.18. So we do not know R, but we do have a 5 for our time. Okay. I guess the textbook uses K on that. You can use K or R. Doesn't matter to me. But as you look at this, you may notice it's the exact same thing as the last few calculations I did. We're going to divide, and then we're going to take the ln, use the power rule. So I got 1.2523. Again, I would caution you about rounding off too much too early. So then I'm going to take the ln of both sides. And then that allows you to use the power rule. Okay. Bring the 5R down front. And then the ln of E is 1. You don't need it. You just divide by 5 to get R. So ln of that 1.2523 divided by 5 gives us 0.045 equals our growth rate. Okay, that's an acceptable answer. If you want to put it in percents, that's the way the textbook would probably write it. Okay, so 4.5% is the growth rate, or the interest rate in this case. The other thing they ask you to calculate is the doubling time. Okay, remember, doubling time is how much time does it take to double what you started with. So they tell us we started with 109,000, so that's still the same. We do need to double that though, so that's going to be 218,000 by timesing that by 2. So now we know our value of K, but we're being asked to find T. Being asked to find the amount of time it takes. But again, it's the same exact procedure. You're going to divide by 109,000. You're going to get 2. It's always going to be a 2 with doubling time. And we're going to take the ln of both sides. We're going to use the power rule. Power property, or whatever I called it back in that other section. You can cancel off the E. The ln of E is 1, and just divide by 0.045. So ln of 2 divided by 0.045 is going to give us 15.4 years. That's the doubling time. That's how much time it takes to double your investment.